Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from Marinemax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a real nice Harris float boat, Solstice 250 tri-tune. So what we'll do is kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features on it. These pontoons from Harris, excellent quality, fit and finish, excellent value for the dollar. This one has a 250 Verado on it, approximately 78 hours. Tremendous amount of room here, so if you've got a larger family for entertaining and things like that, works out great. We've got a propane grill that's right here. It also has your built-in battery charger in the back. Very comfortable loungers all the way around. And then you can, this is kind of nice too, for the fence area here. You can get on and off the boat on the port side as well as the front. So this one has the dual biminis right here. So if you want a little bit more sun or less sun, that works out really nice. Captain's chairs are in great condition. And I'll just kind of go through, show you some of the other features of the boat. Simrad GPS, tilt steering wheel, digital throttle and shift. Lots of storage underneath all of your seats. And with the tri-tune, it gives you very good performance as well. So if you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give me a call. Again, it's Jeremy Bradshaw with Marinemax in Venice. And my phone number is 941-376-3345. Thank you so much for taking the time. And we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.